If you're looking to automate your leave tracking efforts, Vacation Tracker's new Complete Plan is for you. Our Complete Plan offers all the features from the core plan with the addition of labels, accruals, and scheduled reports. Here's an overview of all the features included with the Complete Plan. First up is scheduled reports. These reports are the same ones that can be found on the Exports page. However, users have the added functionality of sending these reports to any email address, whether associated with Vacation Tracker or not, and the option to send reports monthly to match with their HR updates. You can schedule a report by clicking on the Reports tab in Vacation Tracker. Then, choose the Scheduled Reports option and click on New Report. To file for a new report, first, input a name for your file. Then, choose the report type. This can be a leave request, leave balance, or monthly leave balance report. Next, pick the leave statuses you'd like to include in the report. You can now filter the report by locations, departments, and labels, or a mix of the three. In our case, we've only filtered by locations. Then, select a time zone to center the report on. Choose the date or day you'd like to have it delivered. Schedule the time for the report to appear. Select the recipients by adding their email addresses. Confirm all your details by reviewing the summary, and you're all set to go. Send a report now, or schedule the report at the click of a button. Then sit back and relax while Vacation Tracker handles the work for you. Up next is labels. Labels provide a flexible way to group employees inside Vacation Tracker. It can be used by companies to further tag certain users. For example, you can create a label for contracts or projects the users may be working on and set the labels on those users' profile pages. You can then use those labels to filter, not only by department and location, but also by different labels. To create a new label, go to any user's profile page, and at the top of the page click on Add Label. Start typing the name of the label you want, and select the New Label option. You can also add an existing label in the same place and make modifications to an existing label by clicking on the Manage Labels button. Upon clicking on the button, you'll find a range of options that will allow you to either edit the color and name of the label, or to delete the label. You can now use the label to filter users on any pages and features that have our filter option, along with our already existing filters for departments and locations. To do so, simply click on the Filter by option, then select the Labels option to sort through the data and filter it according to your needs. This way, large departments can easily sort users working on a particular project or members in cross-functional teams to get a clearer overview of their workforce and categorize their leaves accordingly. Last, but not least, is Accruals. Many companies are required to calculate employees' leave amounts using an accrual system rather than giving the days up front. The leave accrual system means the employees' leave amounts are earned over time based on the number of days or hours they've worked. For example, an employee may be entitled to 12 days of leave in 1 year, but they earn the leave on a monthly basis, meaning that each month a user earns 1 day of leave until they hit their full 12-day quota in the last month of the year. Thanks to our feature, you can set automated accruals for your team to reduce the time-consuming process of calculating leave accruals. You can set accruals for each leave type, on any location, depending on your needs. To set accruals, go to Settings on the left-hand side menu of the online dashboard, then click on Locations. Once you are on the Locations page, select the location you wish to add the accrual setting to, and click on the Leave Policies tab at the top of the page. Next, click on the Edit icon on the right-hand side of the individual leave type, and you will see the Accrual section. Our system automatically calculates the amount of leave an employee earns based on various inputs such as the leave quota reset date. Please keep in mind, the leave quota reset date is an option which you can update when you edit the location and choose between the employee start date option or the accounting year option. The automatic calculation is also based on inputs such as the yearly leave quota field and the earning period. Admins can choose the frequency at which days accrue by choosing between monthly, semi-monthly, and bi-weekly accrual types. If you choose the monthly option, users will accrue leave 1 time a month, each month until they hit the total at the end of the year. If you choose the semi-monthly option, users will accrue leave 2 times a month, every 14 days, each month until they hit the total at the end of the year. Finally, if you choose the biweekly accrual option, users will accrue leave every second week until they hit the total at the end of the year. For example, every second Wednesday. Please note, you can only set the accrual type once. For any updates or changes, please contact our support team for further assistance. As per usual, users can view their accrued days on their profile pages or by using our bots to check their current leave status. Additionally, on the user's profile page, a small tooltip gives users and admins a more detailed overview of the days earned and information on the next accrual. Admins and approvers can also use the logs page on the user's profile page to see the exact calculations over time and to see when the accrual occurred. Users also have a view of their own private logs page, where they can see the same information. Thanks for your interest in Vacation Tracker. We love hearing from our customers, and we'd be thrilled to get your feedback on your leave tracking experience. Just write to us at hello@vacationtracker.io or check out our website for more information.